Hi, this is Mrs. Calabrese. I'm talking to you today about scissor skills. So, the first thing that we want to do with scissor skills is simply to present the scissor to our children. And this is a small scissor. This is one of our big scissors. This is one teacher scissors. And we're going to say, here's a scissor. We use this for cutting. And this is how we hold it. Now, this little scissor only has two holes in it, but normally a child scissor has more. So I brought this scissor to show you that normally a child scissors has enough space for their fingers. So the way we're going to do this is we're just going to teach them how to pick up and hold a scissor. That's it. It's the first lesson. So we're going to say, put your scissor down and pick it up and hold it. Make sure their Mr. Thumb goes up to the ceiling and their little fingers crawl into the spaces where they need to crawl into. Put the scissor down, pick it up, put the scissor down, pick it up. You can practice opening and closing at this point. Put the scissor down, pick it up. So you'll find that your children won't be able to do this. So it's just a quick practice, and that's the first lesson on how to hold a scissor. That's it. See you at the next lesson.